This is the first screen of DataMaster. Along the top of DataMaster, keep you on track. Subject, comparables, market analysis, and review to send. If you need to jump into market, into comparables, or talk about your subject, simply click into one of these buttons. The first thing you would do in DataMaster is create a new work file. You'd give DataMaster the same file name or number that you're currently working on in your form software. Hit create a new work file. Now DataMaster is going to load this work file. On this screen, you tell DataMaster about your subject property. You can give it an address, an APN number, or an MLS number. It'll go out to the MLS and public records data and bring that property back in. I've got an MLS number I'm going to put in here real quick. DataMaster will now go out and search for that property. Now I want to bring some comparables in. If I click on comparables up top, I'll jump out to the MLS and grab my comparables. DataMaster doesn't make any decisions or selections for you. We just move your choices. So I'm here in my local MLS. I've put in some parameters. I've gone in and I've looked for the properties I want. I simply select the properties, hit an export button. It drops that information here in DataMaster. Notice how my subject is in the far left over here. My comps are to the right. DataMaster fills out the grid, puts it in the format you want it to be in. A couple of cool features on this is I can look at the deeds on the property, see the listing history and the deeds, select deeds if I'd like to. If I select a deed, it'll actually drop it into the grid. If I want to look at the interior and exterior photos on the property, I can click on the photo. It'll show me everything available from the MLS. I can also make a quality and a condition rating right here by clicking the boxes, and it'll throw those into the grid. Other features that are seen, a maps feature will allow me to have an aerial view of the property and a street side view, and I can give it a location and a view rating when I click on those. Now I'd like to bring in some market conditions properties. I'm going to go back out to my MLS. I'm going to set up my search just like I normally would every day. This time I want to choose all of the properties. I'll check them all. I'll hit export. DataMaster will drop those properties into my market conditions, fill out the market conditions for me, current to 3 months, prior 4 to 6, prior 7 to 12. Shows me the top 2 lines that will go on my page 2 of my 1004. Even helps write the paragraphs down below for me. Now that all this data is in DataMaster, I've got my subject, my comps, and my MC. I hit this little review and send button. DataMaster will recap what I'm moving. I will hit a send to report, and DataMaster drops it right into my form software. This was a blank report. It's going to bring in the first 7 or 8 lines right here on my page 1. On my page 2, the top 2 lines up top. Notice how it types in all of the data in the grid. There was that prior sales deeds that we selected. All of this data up top can be customized to how you want to see it. Some additional comps right here, comps 4, 5, and 6. All of that was within a couple of seconds. Here's my MC filled out and paragraphs written down below. So to recap, we brought in DataMaster, our subject, our comps, our MC data, which you selected. We sent it out of DataMaster, dropped it in our form software, and DataMaster typed it all in just a couple of seconds.